going to make a star with envelope cover. Okay, shall we start? The things we need: 10 envelope covers, scissors, gum. Let's start. Take 10 envelope covers. Take one cover, fold it in half, open, then take another one, fold it in half, open, then take the gum, paste the gum to the envelope cover where there is closed. Paste the gum in the middle of the cover. Take the sheet, paste it on it. Put the gum. Paste the envelope cover. The same thing, you paste all the envelope covers. Now you can see I have pasted all the 10 covers this way. Now you have to cut it in V shape. This way. You can see the V shape after the cutting. Now paste the gum on the last cover. Put your fingers inside the first cover, then put your fingers inside the last cover. Slowly turn the cover, join the first and last cover and leave it for dry. This way. Your star is ready. Hang it to the wall also. Thank you.